My name is Mariel Burgos and I will be explaining the program code for laboratory exercise number 3. So for the objective, we need to write a program that performs the following logic operations on two 8-bit numbers and display the result. So we need AND operation, OR operation, XOR operation, and NOT operation on the first number. So, for the AND operation, yung program is maglo-load siya ng number 1, which is yung 0AH into AL, and then magpa-performs ng AND with number 2, which is yung 05H. So, yung result is may store siya sa BL and mapiprint. So, yung AND operation keeps only the bits that are 1 in both numbers. So, dito po sa code, 0AH and 05H equals 00H. So, mag-print din po siya ng end result which is 00. Sa OR operation naman, yung number 1 is maglo-load ulit and then magbi-bitwise ng OR with number 2. So, yung OR operation is sinaset niya yung bit to 1 if either number has 1 in that position. So, for this number, 0AH or 05H equals 0FH. So, magpiprint siya ng OR result ng 0F. Next, the XOR operation. Yung program is maglo-load siya ng number 1 and thus XOR with number 2. So, si XOR is nagbibigay siya ng isa or ng 1 if the bits are different. So, 0AH XOR 05H equals 0FH. And then, yung result is may store siya sa BL and then magpiprint as XOR result of 0F. So, for the NOT operation, this takes num1 and then i-flips niya yung bits using NOT. So, si 0AH, which is the binary for 00001010, becomes F5H, which is the binary for 11110101. So, yung result is may i-store siya sa BL, then ipiprint siya as NOT result for F5. Yun lang po. Thank you.